Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series of aircraft Boeing 737 family exterior inspection. This is the part 6, the video number 6. The area is the right aft fuselage. Here is the references. This is PDF, okay, and this also PDF, and this is a channel site. This is site for questions. This is the area with the blue color, the right aft fuselage, aft the wing until the tail area. Here is the items which you must be checked. Doors and access panels must be latched, closed and latched. Negative pressure relief valve closed, okay. Outflow valve check, that is no obstruction. Probes, sensors, ports, vents and drains cleared, check. APU Air Inlet open. APU fire bottle check. The two discs I will show you after that. Toilet waste system, take care the door or the access panel. The last thing, the VHF communication antenna. Here is the doors and access panels. If we go in from here, this is the aft compartment. This is the aft galley. This is the aft galley, the service, okay? The control in the passenger cabin here. But here is the aft cargo compartment here. Take care from here, no dents, okay? Because many contacts here. Here, outflow valve. Here, the water service door. Here, water service door also. Pressure relief door. Aft toilet service door. APU access door to enter the area of the APU. Here, the tail cone access door here. So this is the door and the access panels in the aft fuselage right side. Here, question number 10 in the site, which I put in the reference. He asked about 6 items here. 6 items. What are they? Okay. The 6 items: main outflow valve door, safety pressure relief door, drains, tail strike assembly. This is when you make takeoff with large angle of attack, the tail may be strike with the ground. APU drain mast, aft drain mast for the toilet and galleys. I will show you in details. This is the main outflow valve door here, okay? This is for the pressurization in the control cabin, okay? Safety pressure relief valve here, and also static ports. Here, drains. Here, drains point. Here, this is the tail strike assembly. Here, APU drain mast, this is number 5. The number 6, aft water drain mast here. The APU Air Inlet. This is the area of the door which the air inlet to the APU compartment. Here, the APU fire bottle. Take care from those two discs here, one yellow and one red. And this is the fire bottles in the APU compartments. Here, verify that the squib discharge disc, which is yellow, and the bottle overpressure disc, red, in place here. Must be, these covers must be in place, okay? This is the toilet waste testing. Here, this picture, I picked it from this channel. Thanks for them. Here, you can view the video, okay? This is the potable water system. This is the panel to make the here. The last thing, I think, the VHF communications antenna. This photo for all the antennas here. All the antennas here, VHF, all the antennas. But in this area, you take care from these antennas. Okay? Thank you very much. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions and your click your the like and subscribe in the channel. Again, thank you very much and goodbye.